Here's a short tutorial on how you can use my dashboard. First of all, you should choose a sustainable development goal. And for example, I'll pick number 9. Now, the important thing to know is that this filter will affect all of these charts, except for these two in the gray box. And based on the SDG selected, you can also drill down to find more information. All of these tables here are also selectable. So you can select on a particular action, and that'll tell you the demographics of that user. If you want to select more than one action, you can hold down the Control key for Windows and just select another action. To unselect it, you can click on them again, and that'll take you back to the original plot. Also, you can select a particular user-submitted action or commitment. So for example, when I'm on SDG 9, if I want to know all the actions where people had chose 1 month for the commitment length, I could select that. And all of these other charts and tables would update. So I can see that these are the 4 actions where people committed to 1 month. And again, you can do the same for the geography, both the map and table work, as well as all the demographic tables. And one other thing you can do here is to look at different metrics for this table here. So I said that you can look at specific demographics, and the default is the % of female responses. But if you wanted to, you could look at the % of event organizers, as well as the % of respondents from the USA.